This is the Openhouse Oxygen sleeve. Now, rather than have a full large oxygen bag, or if you need to carry a second cylinder with you, this sleeve is ideal. It's made to go over the whole center section of the cylinder. You can easily pull it out and just leave it in here because it's padded. It will protect it from getting scratched or getting damaged. There's a carry handle on it, so you can carry it around nice and easily. And you don't need to take it fully out of the cylinder because from here we can just pull it out. We can access the gauge, we can use the pipes, we can turn it on. And on the top, it's got a lid that closes in place so it protects it on both ends. So if you're moving cylinders around, this is the ideal opportunity to keep them safe. It also has a shoulder strap, which is useful if you're going out to emergency and you want to keep a very small oxygen kit with you. Maybe you've just got a normal first aid kit, which is the oxygen mask in, and you'll keep the cylinder separate. This is just ideal. You pop that over your shoulder and you've still got both of your hands free. So in conclusion, rather than have cylinders just rolling around or being fixed even in back of vehicles, you're far better putting it into a sleeve like this because it will easily lay flat on the vehicle because it's got one flat side built into it, so it won't roll. Still need to strap it in place if you're using it in the vehicle, but if you pop this down on the floor with the flat side down, it's going to stay exactly where you place it.